Okay, so for today, I'll be um, showing you what are the other things to check in Webseller Guru um, eBay before we start doing the business. So for Webseller, we need to make sure that the the tool is um, subscribe to Quantity Manager, because Quantity Manager updates the quantity of the item to the default quantity every time it gets a sale. So here you just need to go to you just need to go to plans and modules. Okay, here, then go to Quantity Manager. Okay, here, so Quantity Manager, add to cart. Okay, so you need to have your client do the checkout, because it needs to log into PayPal, though it's for free. So what I'll do now, I'll be contacting my client, and I'll ask him to subscribe to Quantity Manager. Okay. It's for free, but you need to log into PayPal. There. Okay, so once he subscribed to Quantity Manager, you need to go to Quantity Manager and add the module to your account. Add your account to the module, rather. Okay, one moment. Okay, so once um you were able to subscribe the tool to Quantity Manager, you just need to go to um, eBay Tools and go to Quantity Manager. Here, then Quantity Manager. Okay, then you have to add here, click here to add the account. There. Select an eBay account. Save module. Okay, so now you can check, go again to Quantity Manager. Okay, so there. Okay, so once you list an item, you can put here the global inventory to 9999. Okay, so update. Global auto release is yes. Global display is 1 for your default quantity, and global active is yes. There. Then you just need to update, click update here. So that's it for our web seller guru. And for the eBay account, okay, you need to make sure that the account is subscribed to a store. So since this is a fresh account, what we need is a basic store only. So go to here, go to subscriptions. Okay, then choose a store. Okay, so your client needs to add a valid payment method, so for you to be able to subscribe to a store. So we will choose, if there's a valid payment method already, just choose basic store. Okay, basic store for a start. Okay, then you also need to make sure to go to site preferences. Okay, site preferences, and this needs to be ticked yes needs to be ticked. So when the quantity of your item listing reaches 0, the listings remains active. So the quantity will just turn into 0, and if it's available again, it will go back to your pick to your inventory as an as active listing. Okay, so um, also also check personal information. Okay, I then apply. I'm so sorry. Then after that, when you tick yes, you need to click apply. Okay, then here, um, please make it as a business. Please choose business here, business name. Let's check. You need to make it business. Okay, let me ask my client for the business name. Okay, so let's use this. Just change to business account. Let's check if it applied. Okay, so if you want to sell items, okay, um, please choose it the account type to be business. Okay, so there you go. So and also you can go to help and contact and um, search for Seller Hub. Okay, so it will be easier for you to manage your sales and your performance. Okay, then click Seller Hub here. Okay, so there. So this how it looks. So it's easier to manage the account. So every day you need to click you need to check task here, tasks, because there are urgent tasks that eBay needs you to do. So that's the main um that's the first thing a manager should do in the morning. So to check the task here. Okay, so thank you, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.